So the internet is checked. I've just restarted the emulator in code boot. Now let's run the application again. Let me now try to log in again. So I've missed a 2 here. Let's go ahead and log in. Looks like we are logging in. Okay, let's enter our PIN. Okay, so we are here. Let's use the camera. Let's save this one. We are in a crop activity. Let's save this one. Okay, let's enter our name. Then, okay, the instance, let's just try something like this. We'll see that if one of these methods will work. So let's hit continue. Okay, so this is working. Let's go ahead. We can try the image in the next time we try. So everything is set now. Let's go ahead and press continue. Okay, and we are in a home screen. This is good, which means our code was successful. It arrived on successful and it took us to our home screen. So let's go back to our browser and then let's come back to Firebase. Let's minimize this for a bit. So if we come to our Firestore here and then let's see, so we can see that we have created users under our user ID, and then the date joined is here, the is online is true, our data is here, and the image URL is here. If we go to our storage, we'll be able to find this image. Let's go to our storage. What's going on? We already clicked here, so this is an error. Let's just restart, because we're already saving our file in the storage, which means we already have the storage bucket. So let's see what will come here. Yes, so here is our storage, and then under users, under our user ID, it is under the name of user ID, we have our image. Here it is. So we can take this back and then open the application again. So now that we're in home screen, which means our authentication method, let's minimize this, which means here on the authentication, we are doing everything correct. Now we need to do more things here, because when we come to our registration screen and go to our OTP screen, after we enter our phone number here on successful, it should not always take us to our user information screen, because like for example, now I have signed in with this user which is Dexter. If I log out and sign in again in my application, I should not go back to set up my user information. The application should know that you already have information. It should take you direct to the home screen. If you don't have information, that's when it should take you to the user information screen. So for that, let's go back to our profile. So we haven't put anything in a profile. For that, we need to add the checks to check if this user is already signed in or not, if this user is already has an account or not. And also we need to save our data once we come back to our user information screen here on successful. We need to save our user data to our shared preferences, so that when we restart the application, or when we start the application from the start, it should know that you are already signed in and you have the data or not. So that's what we are going to do in the next video.